Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be baking my Gran's chocolate caramel slice. So let's grab your fork and jump right in. Grab your softened butter and sugar. Then cream them together, also not forgetting to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit on fan bake. Now add your egg and beat it in. Having done that, we'll sieve in the flour, cocoa powder and baking powder and mix it in thoroughly. With the base now done, press it into a sponge tin lined with baking paper with your hand, spatula or fork, making sure to get it into all those corners and put it into the oven for 15 minutes. Since time has flown by, just leave it to one side to cool while we do the caramel. Also, turn your oven down to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit fan bake. Onto the caramel, you'll need a pot on a low-medium heat. Add your sugar, butter and golden syrup. Don't forget to continuously stir this until it's bubbly. Then add your sweetened condensed milk and flour, all the while continuously stirring so it doesn't burn. Once it's to a thickish golden consistency, remove it from the heat and spread evenly over your biscuit base and put back in the oven for 12 minutes. With the baking now completed, everything will be firm, so just leave it to cool to a low temperature so that we can add icing to it. So that should take around 1 or 2 hours. To make this icing, add melted butter, icing sugar and cocoa powder. Mix these together, and if it's too thick, add a small amount of water. If it's too runny, add some more icing sugar until you get it to a consistency you'd like. Having completed the icing, it's time to grab the slice and ice it. Having it all evenly iced, put it in the fridge so the icing will firm up. With the icing set, it's now time to cut it up and enjoy. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make this delicious chocolate caramel slice with me today. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see, along with hitting that subscribe button to stay informed when the next video comes out of the oven. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.